Hey everybody, this is Miss Heather from the High School Counseling Office with a quick tutorial about how to request letters of recommendation from teachers through Naviance. Two steps need to happen before you do this electronic request. The first is to complete your questionnaires on Naviance for teachers, as well as to meet with that teacher in person to professionally, formally, graciously ask for their support in writing a strong letter of recommendation for your college applications. Once you've been given the green light, you can log into your Naviance student account. And in this home screen, you can head over to the Colleges tab, to the Apply to College section, and then click Letters of Recommendation. You can see here that I have made letters requests previously. Yours will be blank. You can always add a new one by clicking the blue button Add Request. 3 easy steps here to complete this step. This task, to select a teacher. The pull-down menu will give you the teachers in the Nido High School by alpha order by last name. I'm going to choose a test teacher here to do this demonstration. Step 2 is important. Select which colleges this request is for. Please ask that teachers write for all of the schools on your list. As teachers will not be writing letters that mention specific college names, as that gets a little dicey when you do the submission. So always choose all colleges. The third box is important to include a little note with this electronic request. It should include, I think, 4 important parts. The first is a thank you in your own words, however you would say that. The next is to say why this letter is important to you and your college process. The third would be to reference your questionnaires and share that you had fun, that you had some insights, that you provided some important details that you believe would help them write the strongest letter. And why not? Let's end with a thank you. And once you're done with this step, you can hit the blue button to hit Submit Request. Then you will be able to see all applications that you have listed in your common application have been assigned to a recommender under this column here. And you can see the status of this letter, whether it's been requested, which is what I just did. When the teacher begins, that status will change to in progress. And when the teacher submits it to Naviance, it will say submitted as well, which is, I know, a big relief. So this is where you always can see what's going on, and a great way to get teachers connected to your account, and we're off and going. Please be sure to see Miss Heather in the counseling office if you have any questions. Good luck.